So let's go ahead and get into the first box. What comes with the kit, if you do the large intercooler, you do have to get the crash bar to mount the intercooler. I've gone ahead and did order that with my kit. This is all that comes in the box. It's nothing crazy, just it replaces your factory crash bar just because it's so large that you can't fit the intercooler in there without it. It does feel kind of weighty, which kind of has me concerned. If I can, I would like to weigh them. I'm sure this will be much lighter, but so far it looks good quality. It's hefty. Let's go ahead and get into the intercooler. Here is the rest of the kit for the intercooler. It's got all the piping, couplers, bolts, you name it. Everything is in this box. Alright guys, so here's everything unboxed for the intercooler kit. We'll go up top over here on the GoPro to capture everything. So real quick before we finish up the video, I'll go ahead and explain everything that we've got going on here. Obviously this is the intercooler. That is the crash bar. We've got our cold and hot pipe over here, charge pipe. It does have the bung cap cut out on it already, right here for the stock Mazda bypass valve. I was looking over at the welds and everything is super solid. I'm happy with how this all is turning out. It's not a cheap intercooler kit by all means. So far it's definitely worth the money. Couplers and clamps right here. I just went ahead and went with black. This box right here is just the installation instructions, hardware kit, all that fun stuff. It's pretty basic. It's a lot of piping, which kind of has me a bit concerned. I'm not sure how well it's going to hold up with building boost. We are, of course, getting a new turbo as well. We're getting the Corksport CST4 turbo to complement the Corksport intercooler kit. Really excited. Hoping after we tune, be pushing about 350 horsepower on 91, and then I'm gonna see about going E85 as well. See what we can do with that. But other than that, guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Not going to install it just yet because I'm waiting for that turbo to come in, but I wanted to get you guys up to date. If you have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to let me know in the comments. Other than that, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.